directly or indirectly get the question in paper in different language, but IGCSE question students, they will definitely get this question in exam. So the name of the topic is trigonometric equations. Topic: trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations and ग्राफ्स. अब्दुल रहमान बेटा जरा अब्दुल्ला को मैसेज करो कि जल्दी ज्वाइन करो.
सही सर.
Trigonometric equation and graphs. First of all, beta, we need to understand that what trigonometric equations are and what are the graphs. Beta, remember that trigonometric equation, it follows a rule of plus. It is a rule of plus. And what this rule of plus is all about, pay attention. This is rule of plus. Rule of plus. According to this rule, this angle is 0 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 180 degree. This angle is 270 degree. And this angle is 0 or 360 degree. Get it? Now, according to this thing, they say that there are 4 quadrants, and we know this already in coordinate geometry. First quadrant, that is second quadrant, right, Alina? This one is third quadrant. Zaid, how are you? Note
Fine,
down each and
sir.
everything.
What about
This is,
you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. This is fourth quadrant. Beta, we have 3 trigonometric equations, which is sine theta, cos theta, and tangent theta. Get it? According to this concept, in first quadrant, all are positive. All are positive. In second quadrant, only sine theta is positive. Only sine theta is positive. Here, only tangent theta is positive. And here, only cos theta is positive. What does it means? It means that, beta, please hold your calculators and check value sine 30, cos 30, tangent 30. Check all are positive or not. Please check all are positive or not. Apologies, bacha.
Yes, sir. Positive.
ओके मैं आपके सामने कैलकुलेटर पे चेक करूंगा अभी. देखते जाएं जरा सब प्लीज. ऑलराइट. देखिए बेटा, sin 30 answer is half, it's positive. Cos 30, check, answer is square root 3 by 2, it's positive answer. Check tangent 30. See, it is also positive. Now if I take sine 90, so sine 90 is 1. So now let me take sine 95. Sine 95, cos 95, greater than 90 but less than 180, and tangent 95. I will get the positive answer for sine only. Check only. Sine 95, Alina. See, it's positive. Now if I press cos 95, I will get the negative answer. See that? Tangent 95.
Yes.
Get it? Now in the lower
Yes.
part, only tangent is positive. So let me take angle greater than 180 and 270, like let's for example 200. Check sine 200, cos 200, and tangent 200. So sine will be negative. Check sine 200 is negative. Cos 200 is also negative. But check tangent 200, which is positive. Now, look at the last quadrant, angle greater than 270 and less than 360. Let's check sine 300. sine 300, cos 300, and tangent 300. I will get the negative answer for sine and tan, but cos will be positive. Check beta, sine 300, negative answer. Cos 300, it will be positive. And check cos, sorry, tangent 300, it will be negative as well. Right, Amar? So you have to memorize this graph with the help of a plus. With the help of a plus, and you will just memorize this as A all sine T and cos. Is this clear? Is this clear? For memorization, just draw plus and write these letters as it is. Is this clear? For memorization. Is this clear, everybody, or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we will discuss this in a worksheet in a while. Before going to that, I'm going to explain three graphs. The first graph is sine graph. Sine graph. How to draw these graphs? You will have to draw a vertical line. Now that is a horizontal line. Here I'm going to mark 0. Here I'm going to mark 1. Here I'm going to mark -1. Now 0. After this thing, I'm taking 90. Now after this distance, I'm taking 180. After this thing, I'm taking 270. After this thing, I'm taking 360. As I said, I'm going to draw a sine graph here. I need a table. Okay, Alina?
Yes, sir.
Alina, I have the calculator with me. Check sine 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is what? 0. Check sine 90. It's 1. Check sine 180. It is -1. Sorry, it is 0. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 270, Hamad, it is -1. You can check in your calculator along with me. And sine 360 is also 0. Now let's plot these values. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 270 is also -1. And sine 360 is 0. Now we have to connect this. Okay. So it's a curve. Okay. Remember that it is not a line graph. So you have to go like that. Turn your car like this. Turn your car like this. Now this graph is what? This graph is a sine graph. Right, Hamad?
Yes, sir.
Is, is this clear? Is this clear,
Yes, sir.
everybody? Try to draw these graphs at least once by your own. Proceeding. The second graph we are going to study is cos graph. Again, for sine and cos, we again take the same values. After 3 lines, I'm going to draw 0. This is +1. And after 3 lines, it is -1. So again, 90, Abdurrahman 180, 270, and that is 360. Arsh, can you hear me? Arsh is in the class or not? Check beta cos 0. Cos 0. Okay, it's 1. Cos 0 is 1. Check beta cos 90. 0. Beta check cos 180.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, cos 180 is how much?
-1.
-1.
Minus 1. And check cos 270.
0.
0. And check cos 360.
1.
Okay. Now it's time to plot them correctly. Right, Alina? Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 180 is -1. Cos 270 is 0. Cos 360 is +1. Is this clear, everybody, or not? Yes or no? What I did, Abdurrahman, please explain this. What I did here.
सर cos 90 पे 0 है, cos 80 पे -1 है, cos 270 फिर से 0 है, और फिर cos 360 पे 1 है।
इसका मतलब ये है कि हम लोगों ने इस ग्राफ को बनाना है और ये ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा बनेगा। ठीक है, ये ग्राफ कुछ
यस सर।
ऐसा बनेगा। यस और नो?
यस सर।
इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर?
यस सर।
इज दिस क्लियर? एनी प्रॉब्लम? एनी प्रॉब्लम बेटा?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. Proceeding. Any problem, beta? IGCSE students, Rehan, beta, this it is in your paper, okay?
No, sir. No problem.
Zed. Now the last graph is tangent graph, and after this, I'm proceeding to worksheet, and then we'll practice about these things. Tangent graph again. In tangent graph, beta, you are requested to draw all plot the value of only zero. Is this clear? Rehan, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Because बेटा टेंजेंट के वैल्यूज बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं। यस और नो? ये टेंजेंट ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने के लिए जरा मैं थोड़ा सा ग्रिड चेंज कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा बॉक्सेस चाहिए मुझे। सो ये बॉक्सेस से अच्छा ड्रॉ हो जाएगा। ठीक है, अब्दुलरहमान, अब्दुलरहमान
जी सर।
बेटा आफ्टर एवरी 3 लाइंस जो है ना, मैं 90, 180, 270, 360 ले लूंगा, लेकिन अभी मैं 2 लाइंस पे लेता हूँ। 90, 180, 270 एंड 360। लेट्स प्लॉट द वैल्यूज। ऑलराइट, सो टेबल। Okay. Abdurrahman, please check tangent 0 is what? 0. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Check tangent 90. Math error. Check tangent 180. Please.
Zero.
Check 0. Check tangent 270. It's math error. Check tangent 360. It is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it means that on
यस सर।
90 we are gonna get math error. So it means that we are going to draw a dotted line at 90. That it's math error. We cannot touch this point. We cannot touch 270 as well. Agree? Yes or no? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, you have to memorize the pattern of this graph. Uh, please check tangent 89. Check tangent 89. It's positive or negative? Tangent 0 is 0. Check tangent 89 is positive or negative. It will be a positive answer because it is in first quadrant. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
can I say that that point would be tangent 89? Yes or no? It's a positive area. So hit. Now check tangent 91. Tangent 89 is positive. Now check tangent 91. It is negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So negative area is this area. So we are going to hit this one. Okay. And here we'll go like this because we cannot touch it. And tangent 271 is also negative. So here we will go this thing. Is this clear? So this is the style of tangent graph. Is this clear, everybody? बेटा चेक कर लें।
यस सर।
रेहान, दैट tangent 271 देखिए पंच करूंगा तो नेगेटिव आंसर आएगा, देख रहे हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
एंड आई सेड दैट नेगेटिव 57 कुछ यहाँ पर है, ठीक है, और पॉजिटिव 57 कुछ यहाँ पर है, ठीक है।
सही sir.
ठीक है, यहाँ
Yes,
पे
sir.
आपको ये नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव की वैल्यूज लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है, बस
Yes, sir.
जीरो विल वर्क, जीरो विल वर्क। नाउ फॉर दिस चैप्टर, you have to memorize these 4 things, okay? memorize these four things. First, the technique of plus, okay? That in first quadrant all are positive, in second quadrant sine is positive, here tan is positive, then cos is positive. Then you have to memorize the pattern of a sine graph. Sine graph is something like this, yes or no? Then you have to memorize the pattern of what? Cos graph. And cos graph कैसा था? कुछ ऐसा था ना? Yes or no? And then you have to memorize the pattern of tangent graph. So tangent graph कुछ ऐसा था. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is sine, this is cos, and this is tangent graph. Understood, everybody? Yes or no? Any problems so far? जी बेटा, any problems so far?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to practice a worksheet, and then after that we can easily resume this thing. Okay. So just give me a second. Let me open the worksheet. All right. Alina, can you see the worksheet, Bacha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you can see that it says that solve sine theta is equals to 0.75 when theta is greater than or equals to 0 or less than or equals to 180. But we know this already that sine theta is equals to 0.75, and we can see that it is positive. So theta is equals to sine inverse of 0.75. Theta is equals to shift sine inverse 0.75. So it is 48.6 degrees. So now I want another answer as well. We want another positive answer. So for that, we are going to draw a plus here. Right, Alina? यहाँ पे मैं लिख दूंगा all, यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा sin, यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा Alina tan, और यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा cos. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to draw a cross like this. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, whatever angle you got, right, with the x-axis, 48.6, 48.6, 48.6, 48.6. Beta, they say that sine theta is positive here. Yes or no? 0.75 is a positive value. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So sine is positive in the first quadrant and in the second quadrant. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
or no? Beta, in first quadrant, I got one answer already, which is 48.6. Agree or not? Now for the second answer, I know that if I start my car here and I have to hit this angle, yes or no? So theta 2 is, Alina, theta 2 is 180 minus 48.6. That's how I can get this green angle. So 180 minus answer. So the answer is 131.4. 131.4. That is theta 2. So now what is the learning here? We got two answers here, 48.6 and 131.4. Abdurrahman, if I punch these answers along with sine, I will get the answer 0.75. Check, please. Sine 48.6. Can you see that you got 0.75?
Yes,
And
sir.
now check sine 131.4. Press equal. See, you got the same answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceeding example number 2, you will understand very soon. Okay, tangent theta is equals to positive 1/4. So it means that theta is equals to tangent inverse of 1.4. Let's check. Shift tangent inverse 1.4. 1.4 equals 54.5. So theta is equals to 54.5 degrees. Now it's time to find another angle, draw plus. Alina, first quadrant, all positive, agree. Second quadrant, sine positive. Third quadrant, tangent positive. Last quadrant, cos positive. Then you have to draw a cross. Yes or no? याद आ
Yes,
गया
sir.
अलीना?
जी
अब एक
सर.
क्रॉस लगाना है 54.5 x एक्सिस के साथ लिख दो. ठीक है, 54. 54.5 अमार यहाँ पे लिखना है 54.5, हर्ष 54.5 यहाँ पे, अब्दुल रहमान 54.5 यहाँ पे. Now see, tangent theta is positive or not? Yes or no? So tangent is positive in this all quadrant and in this tan quadrant. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rehan, beta, we got one answer already, the positive one, this one. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want another one. So start and hit tan. Yes or no? Got it? So this angle is what? From this point to this point is 180. 180 plus 54.5. Yes or no? So theta 2 is 180 plus 54.5. Let's check. 180 plus 54.5. This is what? 234.5. What? Now you can check the answer, beta. Rehan, if I punch tangent 54.5, bracket close, equals, see, I got 1.4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I punch tangent 234.5, I will get the same answer. Yes or no? So that's how we can find out two angles. Okay, what if the answer is negative? Question number 3. Abdurrahman, if this is negative, beta, ignore minus in start. Ignore minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will write cos theta equals 0.9. So now theta is equals to cos inverse of 0.9. Yes or no? So shift cos inverse 0.9. Alina, समझ आ रही है बेटा?
जी sir.
This is 25.8. This is what? 25.8. Now draw plus, write all, write sine, write cos, sorry, tan, and then cos. हमाद, इसके बाद हमने क्या ड्रॉ करना होता है?
Cross.
क्रॉस ड्रॉ किया, जो एंगल आया है वो यहाँ पे लिखो. 25.8, 25.8, 25.8, 25.8. बट बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग रिमेंबर माइनस. जो माइनस आपने शुरू में इग्नोर किया था ना, उसको याद करो. बेटा cos is negative in sine area and tangent area. Do you agree with me or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
sine is negative in sine, cos is negative in sine and tan only. So start and hit. So this is 180 minus 25.8. Agree or not? Theta 1. 180 minus 25.8. Theta 2. Theta 2 is this angle. Let's check. Theta 2 is towards tan. So start and hit. Is this clear? Yes or no? 180 plus 25.8. 180 plus 25.8. So 180 minus 25.8 is equals to what? It is equals to 154.2, and 180 plus 25.8, it is equals to 205.8. Rehan, if I check these answers, I'm gonna get negative 0.9. Check acha. Cos 154.2 minus 0.9 आ रहा है. Cos 205.8 equals minus 0.900. देख रहे हैं बेटा, सही आ गया कि नहीं? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceeding. Question number 4. Beta, they say that 2 tan is equals to 1.44. We know that we want to divide 2 first. So tangent theta, it is equals to 1.44 divided by 2. Theta is equals to tangent inverse of this thing. Yes or no, Hamad? Theta is equals to shift tangent inverse fraction 1.44. Hamad, समझ आ गई बेटा? Divided
Yes,
by
sir.
2, bracket close, answer. 35.8 is the answer. 35.8 is the answer. This is my theta 1 because tangent is positive. I want to find out the another one. So draw plus, right, Alina? It's all, it is sine, it is tangent, it is cos. Abdurrahman, after this, what I'm gonna draw? Abdurrahman, after this, what I'm gonna draw?
Angle, sir.
नहीं, क्रॉस लगाना है। क्या लगाना है?
Cross.
क्रॉस लगाना है। और अब ये एंगल कहाँ कहाँ पे लिखूं? एक्स एक्सिस के साथ। इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ऊपर नहीं लिखना, वाई एक्सिस के साथ नहीं लिखने, ठीक है? ओके, tangent is positive in the first quadrant. We got this angle already. Yes or no, Abdurrahman?
जी sir.
बेटा दूसरा पॉजिटिव कहां पर होगा? टेंजेंट दूसरा पॉजिटिव कहां पर है? अब्दुर्रहमान, वेयर इज टेंजेंट पॉजिटिव? अब्दुर्रहमान, टेंजेंट पॉजिटिव कहां पर है यार? सामने
1
लिखा
second,
हुआ है।
sir. Uh,
क्या यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव नहीं है?
yes, sir.
तो यहां से आओ और क्रॉस को हिट करो। कर दिया?
जी sir.
बेटा ये एंगल होगा ना, यहां से यहां तक एंगल जो है ये 180 है, 180 प्लस 35.8। गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
सो थीटा 2 इज 180 प्लस 35.8, कितना आता है? 115 पॉइंट 215.8। यस और नो, अब्दुल रहमान?
Yes, sir.
रेहान?
Yes, sir.
बेटा रेहान चेक करो, अब मैं टेंजेंट डालूंगा और लिखूंगा 35.8, वही आंसर आएगा जो ऊपर 1.44 डिवाइड बाई 2 आएगा। 0.72 आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
और देखो ना, 1.44 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज 0.72, राइट अर्श? ना
सर
यू
अगर
चेक
हम ये ग्राफ ना बनवाएं और उसके बगैर कर लें
तो फिर वो तो रट्टा होगा ना बेटा, फिर आपको भूल जाएगा कि मैंने 180 के साथ प्लस करना है कि माइनस करना है। ग्राफ आपको हेल्प करता है, कितना रट्टा
सही है
लगाओगे?
सर, सही है सर, समझ आ गया।
ठीक है, अब देख लें बेटा, क्वेश्चन 5 देखें। रेहान, क्या करूं सबसे पहले?
पहले ग्राफ बनाएं।
नहीं रेहान, 3 cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, पहले क्या करूं?
कॉस को सर क्यू को सब्जेक्ट बना रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो 3 को पहले उधर ले जाना पड़ेगा ना।
यस सर।
सो cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1/3। अब क्या होगा? इनवर्स क्या होगा बेटा?
इनवर्स।
cos इनवर्स 1/3, 1/3 0.33 समथिंग होता है। तो शिफ्ट cos इनवर्स 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इक्वल 70.5। थीटा 1 इज व्हाट? 70.5। क्योंकि बेटा यहाँ पे 1/3 इज पॉजिटिव, हमें एक मिल चुका है। यस और नो? नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ड्रॉ व्हाट फॉर द अनदर आंसर? इट्स टाइम टू ड्रॉ व्हाट? बेटा क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन जरूरी है। ऑल, साइन, tan, and this is cos. Now Rehan, we are supposed to draw cross. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Mark these angles. 70.5 acute angle, x axis के साथ लिख लो 70.5, 70.5, 70.5। Hamad, cos is positive in which quadrant then? Cos is
Fourth
positive in the
quadrant.
first one and the last one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We got the first answer already. Yes or no? We want to get the answer for the last quadrant, and is start and hit the yes, this angle. Yes or no, Abdurrahman?
Yes,
We know
sir.
that total angle is 360. So if I subtract this 70.5, I can get this angle. Yes or no? So theta 2 would be 360 minus 70.5 minus 70.5. So 360 minus 70.5, and the answer is 289.5. Theta 2 is 289.5. Understood everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Proceeding question number 6. Beta plus 2 will go there. So sine theta is equals to 1.05 minus 2. Sine theta is equals to 1.05 minus 2 is how much? 1.05 minus 2. So the answer is minus 19 by 20. बेटा ignore minus रेहान माइनस को इग्नोर करना है ताकि क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो. अच्छा, so theta is equals to sine inverse of 19 by 20. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So shift inverse sine inverse fraction 19 divided by 20. Alina, आवाज आ रही है बेटा? 71.8. Theta is equals to
Yes,
what?
sir.
आवाज आ रही है बेटा?
जी सर.
71.8. But this is not my answer because my sine theta is negative. Yes or no? So I will draw plus to get two negative answers for sine. All sine, tangent, and cos. Now, Rehan, I expect you to answer this one, okay? Abdurrahman, you too. But I'm going to write 71.8 in this portion. So 71.8, 71.8, 71.8, 71.8. Okay, Rehan, beta sine is negative. In which quadrant? First, second, third, or fourth?
Fourth?
Yes, fourth, and in third as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because in first two, sine is positive. So, Abdurrahman, beta, I want to hit tan line. So, start and hit. Done?
Yes, sir.
And I can get this green angle by 180 plus 71.8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
180 plus 71.8. So that would be 251.8. 251.8. Theta 2. Now check. Hamad,
Yes, sir.
I want to hit the cos area. Start and hit. Done?
Yes, sir.
So that is 360 minus 71.8. 360 minus 71.8. So 360 minus 70 minus 71.8, and the answer is 288.2. 288.2. Got it? Easy. Any problem so far?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So beta, try question number 7 by your own. And question number 8 is not in the course. All of you are requested to solve these 7 questions again in your copy. Is this clear or not? If you want to understand this topic well, you have to solve these questions by your own. Now we are going to start the worksheet on trigonometric graphs. Trigonometric metric graphs.
सर
जी बेटा,
अगर इस तरह क्वेश्चन नॉन कैलकुलेटर वर्जन में आ जाए तो
क्या जी?
नॉन कैलकुलेटर वर्जन में इस तरह क्वेश्चन आ जाए
तो बेटा वो एक एंगल की वैल्यू दे देते हैं ना आपको.
ओके सर.
समझ आइए, एक एंगल की वैल्यू उन्होंने दी होती है आपको. समझ आइए.
जी सर.
तो फिर दूसरा हम लोग ऑटोमेटिकली खुद ही निकाल लेते होते हैं, और उसमें यूजुअली पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज होती हैं. अच्छा,
यस सर.
जिसमें खाली 180 से माइनस करना होता है या करना होता है, बस और कुछ भी नहीं होता. ठीक है.
यस सर.
ये वर्कशीट मैं आपको भेजूंगा, लेकिन ब्लैंक वन. ठीक है, नॉट द फिल्ड वन, बिकॉज वीडियो में फिल करा दिया मैंने. इज दिस क्लियर?
यस सर.
ये वर्कशीट भी मैं आपको, ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक ग्राफ वाली वर्कशीट भी मैं आपको ब्लैंक ही भेजूंगा. आप लोग वीडियो में खाली सीखो. ओके. Now they say that beta sketch the graph of y is equals to sine x. So beta use your calculator and tell me sine 0 is how much? Alina, Abdurrahman, sine 0 is y is equals to sine x. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 270 is minus 1, right, Abdurrahman? And sine 360 is also 0. So start, hit. Now go back this way and draw u this way. Done. Easy. Is this easy, everybody, or not?
यस सर.
चलो दैट्स वेरी गुड, बस इजी हो गया ना। देखो y is equals to cos x. Okay, cos 0 is what? 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 180 is -1. देखो मुझे वैल्यूज याद हैं। And cos 270 is 0 and cos 360 is +1. अब्दुलरहमान,
यस सर।
मेरा बेटा ऐसा ना होगा तुम इसको ऐसा ग्राफ बना दो, ये गलत होगा। अच्छा, यू विल नॉट गेट द क्रेडिट।
जी सर।
आपने इसको ऐसा ग्राफ बनाना है जैसे मैं बना रहा हूँ, देख रहे हो?
जी सर।
ऐसे, ठीक है? मतलब यू बनाना है लेकिन इधर से और इधर से थोड़ा सा इस तरह मोड़ना है। गारे,
जी सर।
1 मार्क। Proceeding. Y is equals to tan x. Okay. So can I say that beta, Abdurrahman, that tangent 90 and tangent 270 is math error? Abdurrahman, can I say that tangent 90 and tangent 270 is a math error?
यस सर।
Tangent 0 is 0?
यस
Yes
सर।
or no? Yes or no? And that's how we are going to draw the graph. Hit 180 and proceed, because tangent 180 is 0 and tangent 360 is also 0. So this way. G. Rehan, clear hai beta? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Shown is a part of a graph of y is equals to sine x. Write down the coordinates of the point A. Beta, coordinate of the point A is 90 and 1. Can I say that? Yes or no?
यस सर।
Write down the coordinates of point B. Point B is 180, 270. On x-axis and on y-axis it is 0. Can I say that, beta?
-1, sir.
Sorry, it's -1. Sorry, it's -1. It is -1. See, here we have -1 and here we have 270. Get it? Shown is a part of a curve. Y is equals to cos x. Okay. So that point is 0. This point is 1 and this point is -1. We remembered it already. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, cos 90 is 0. Yes or no? So here we have 90. Here we have 180. Here we have 270. And here we have 360. Yes or no? So the coordinate of point A is x is 90, but y is 0. Coordinate of B is 180, but y is -1. Can I say that, Rehan, or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now say that here is the graph of y is equals to sine x. Okay. One solution of sine x is -0.5. Is x is equals to 210. Find another solution. Beta, x is equals to -0.5. Sin x is equals to -0.5. Okay, that is the practical application of this topic. So this is -0.5. Can I say that, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So beta, they say that one of the answer is 210. So let's proceed. Hit the line. Yes or no? So this is my answer, and here we have 210, and this answer will be my another answer. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Agree? So we can find out this thing, but not in this graph because we do not have any particular dots here. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we will be using, Rehan, we will be using that plus techniques. ठीक है, Rehan? All,
Yes, sir.
sine, cos, and tangent. Agree? Sine is negative where? Sine is negative cos and tangent. Agree or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now they say that one solution is 210. One solution is 210. Now, Rehan, beta, we know this it's 90 degrees here, it is 180 degrees here, and it is 270 degrees here. So it means that if this angle is, for example, 210, for example, this angle is 210, so automatically this angle will be 60. Do you agree with me or not?
सर
जी बेटा.
Yes, sir.
ये cos और tan की पोजीशन हमने चेंज नहीं लिखी.
Oh, yeah, sorry, thank you. बेटा ये बहुत बड़ा मिस्टेक है. अच्छा, थैंक यू. Tangent and cos. ठीक है. Okay. Now one solution 210 is given. So it means that यहाँ तक 210 होगा तो यहाँ पे 60 माइनस हुआ है. राइट रेहान? तो यहाँ पे भी 60 होगा. Is this clear?
Yes.
सॉरी, एक और गलती. ये 60, 180 plus how much is 210? It's 30. It is what? It is what? 30. तो बेटा क्रॉस के साथ यहाँ पे एंगल 30 है. सो अब्दुल रहमान बेटा दूसरा एंगल निकालना है, वो भी नेगेटिव एंगल होना चाहिए साइन का. ठीक है. सो वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा और यहाँ तक जाएगा. तो 360 माइनस 30. So 360 minus 30, that is equals to 330. So 330 is my next answer. Got it? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay. Y is equals to cos x. अब यहाँ पे बगैर कैलकुलेटर के निकाल सकते हैं, बगैर टेबल के. रेहान, we can write the answer without the help of a plus technique. Cos is x is equals to 0.5. Beta 0.5 is clearly mentioned. Can you see that? Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
that? Here one answer is how much? 60, and another answer is what? 60
300.
degree and 300. They both, the value of both of them is 0.5. Got it? Use your graph to solve the
Yes.
values of negative 0.5. So beta negative 0.5 is also clearly mentioned. Can you see that? And it is 120 and it is 240. So 120 degrees and 240 degrees. Right, Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Ahmad? Use your graph to
Yes,
find out the
Yes,
cos
sir.
x is equals to negative 0.75. But a negative 0.75 will be this position. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, Amar, beta, I can say that this is my answer. And Amar, this is my answer, right? So, 120, 130, 140, 150. No. After two blocks, 120, 125, 130 is the answer here, if I'm not wrong, because every five boxes have six values. So 126. बेटा यहाँ पे जरा थोड़ा सा मैं एरोस थोड़ा सा मिटा रहा हूँ. Please pay attention. I'm erasing this arrow here for a while. You can see that there are five boxes, and for five boxes we have 30 degrees from 150 to this. It's the third box. So every box contains six values: 126, 132, 138. Here the value is 138. And here the value is 210, 216. And 216 plus 6 is how much? 216 plus 6 is how much? 222. So 138 and 222. 138 and 222. Understood, beta? Sketch the graph of y is equals to cos x. So cos 0 is 0. No, cos 0 is 1. Beta, cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 180 is -1. Cos 270 is 0. And cos 360 is +1. अब्दुल रहमान बेटा बार बार का है ऐसे ड्रॉ करना. ठीक है? Is this clear, everybody? Is this clear, everybody, or not?
yes, sir.
Find
Clear.
the other solution of this equation. Draw plus. They say that x is equals to 40. So draw 40 here. 40, 40, 40. All sine, tan, cos. Rehan, this is positive. Yes or no? Another positive is this one. So 180 minus 40. 180 minus 40, it is equals to what? 140 degrees. Got it? Got it? Now they say that use
Yeah.
your sketch to find out the value of cos 200. So beta, we need to find out the approximate answers. So beta, what is the midpoint of 180 and 270? Can you please tell me? What is the midpoint of 180 and 270? Add them, divide by 2.
225.
225. So I say that this is my 225. What is the midpoint of these two? 180 plus 225 divided by 2. I want to find out the midpoint here. 180 plus 225 divided by 2.
202.5.
202.5. So a bit before. So let's do it. So this is my answer. And this answer is, for example, minus 0.9. Minus 0.9. And it will have some error because it is estimated without the help of any boxes. Is this clear, everybody, or not? Yes or no? But
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to send the blank worksheet. Practice this worksheet by your own. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलें जी. Have a good day. Thank you so much. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें. See you tomorrow, inshallah. नहीं, tomorrow we don't have any class. Take care.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.